Shawty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix.
What's up, everyone? My name is Samaila, and I'll be doing Shefumi's voiceover for this makeup tutorial. As you can see, she's starting with the primer. She's going to rub it on her. That thing looked like something, but I'm not going to comment. If you know what I'm talking about, just comment under the video. Okay, she's starting her eyebrows, I think. Yeah. She's trying to draw the non-existent eyebrows. Okay, that's good. Fold them up. I don't know what shape this is she's trying to achieve, Sha. Let's go for... I don't even know. She's just trying to fill it up, Sha, at the end of the day. And say she for me serious like this, so you think you think she can never be serious like this in her life? But yeah, you can see at least now she has little eyebrows compared to before. And when this eyebrow is taking longer, so what's this now? I didn't even see that. Age rewind, a bit whatever. Okay, so I think that's what gives the color to the or let's say supraorbital. I've carried medicine to this place. I beg. I don't know. As you can see, she's applying it. She's trying to blend it in, and now she's doing it for the left eye. Okay. We see the picture. What are you dancing to now? See this one there. Okay, yeah. She's trying to blend it in. So obviously, you're not supposed to put it over the eyebrows. I mean, you don't want to be looking like Queen of the Night or whatever. And then she's dancing again. So now she's trying to still blend it in. It looks like this eyebrows kitty used to take a long while. I don't know what she's putting right now. But whatever she's putting, she starts trying to blend it again. So now, UIN, that's the name of the church. So she's trying to pick, I don't even know the name of those colors, please. But yeah, I think it's purple she's applying right now, or violet, anyone. She's trying to, get the supraorbital fissure. And she's trying to, adjust it and blend it in at the end of the day. I don't know why she's not putting it at the beginning parts, close to the... Hey, God. Medicine won't kill me, actually. Any small thing. Was it with medicine that will come out of my mouth? She started blending it in. Just know in this video, people hear blending it in more than 1 million times. And then, what color is that? So, I think a lighter shade of the same purple or violet. I don't know if I'm right, but yeah. So, I think she's kind of, putting it towards the outer edge of the eyes. And then this one is what? The only thing I saw there was base. So, this eye thing. So, these are people used to waste too much time on this eye. Don't go and blind your eyes for me. We are putting it like that. Then this one, I don't even know. Start trying to apply another type of paint on the same eye again. Wow. Apply it. Yeah, go on. So she's trying to blend it. Yeah. So okay. So it's going from dark purple to light purple to brownish to a lighter shade of brown. Yeah, that's probably like 4 colors. 4 colors on top one eye. mm-hmm. On top the eye itself, not even in the eye. Okay. Continue blending. Blend it. Only God knows the color. Is this one orange or on top the same eye? Okay. Continue blending. Blend it.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely.
Basically, she's just blending. That's so you spend like up to 5 minutes just blending the eye. Basically, that's what you ladies are trying to tell me. Okay, I'm learning something. What else now? She's picking another color. This one looks like yellow. So she's still putting that same yellow on top that eye again. All right. Blend it. Okay. So this one is towards the nasal aspect, closer to the nose, in fact.
Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see when you stop.
She's still blending. Wonderful. Fantastic. Fantabulous. All right. So just basically blend it. Spend like 6 minutes applying and blending, depending on your choice. Basically, that's what you guys are telling me. So still blending again. She has not stopped blending. Okay, now Fenty Beauty now. Wow. Okay, this one now, we have allowed the eye to rest, so now it's going to the cheeks. Good. And the forehead. She for me is even lucky she has small forehead self. So yeah, this goes to actually the cheeks. I think the color is still brown. So it's a lighter, darker, yeah. So according to her skin tone, this one is not really Shifumi's skin tone, but let me keep quiet. But yeah, and Shifumi is giving us some kind of Yoruba rap there, yeah.
As a burnt out, and your heart makes no.
All right. So basically blend it again to the whole of the face. Then now, so she's putting it under the eyes again. I thought we left these eyes, but okay. Obviously, we'll still blend. And Shifumi giving us some kind Yoruba Snoop Dogg vibes there with the rap. Okay.
Sound.
So this one is now concealer. So concealer again under the eye. No more. The eye don't suffer, So she put it on her, let's say cheeks, Not closer to the mouth. And then she's still going to blend the concealer. What is the purpose of this concealer? Because to me, I'm just seeing so many things. They're just putting so many layers of stuffs. And as usual, we'll now blend. It's just to pick what you pick and just blend. This makeup thing is not even hard. So myself, I can even do what I put. Man, don't test my capabilities in society. All right. That's almost all. In fact, you can just leave it like this and go. So now, I didn't see the name of it. So this one, let's just call this one powder, So she's putting powder. under the eye, the cheek, yeah.
I'll find valid in your eyes.
It doesn't discriminate, not be by skin tone. So you can use a darker one, you can use a lighter one. So she'll put it on this, and let me guess, she'll now still blend it at the end of the day. Alright.
Always be my night sky.
This one now. This I don't really suffer. So inside the thank God I'm a man, I beg. How long is this thing safe? Let me know. So people just sit down and just be doing makeup like now they try. You respect to men. So you can be patient for this one, but you cannot be patient for other things. Now what was that one? I don't even know what that one is. But she should apply it and still blend it at the end of the day. So the whole mouth process, that's part of applying it, is just easy. I don't even know. Yeah, she tell me down in the comments. Okay, this one is now blush.
Be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence.
Okay, my mind basically she's about to finish. Then now she's going to the lips. So yeah, she's basically lining it up. That's what I'm seeing from here.
It's so loud when you go.
Okay, then she's applying, I don't know if it's lipstick or lip balm, but it's on the lip. They're putting it at the end of the day. This one, they're not going to blend it. This is, I don't even know what that one is, I beg. In fact, I'll stop guessing. So you apply another substance or element or chemical, I don't know, on the face. Yeah.
Dancing with my shadow.
She still went back to the eye, Shubo.
Watch the time.
Okay, she's just putting wings on the eyes so she'll be able to fly at night. What they call this thing again? Lashes. Yeah. I actually forgot. I actually forgot what these things are called.
I can't find the point where
probably eyeliner. I don't know. It's just a guess.
To pass a line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see brightly. I can feel your silence.
As you can see, she's looking like a fine babe.
You always feel so far when your stars are.
You can see she's done with the makeup actually. Yeah, she's actually done with the makeup. She looks nice. Yeah, so that's the whole tutorial. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to our channel. And yeah, that's about it.